Alright, so initializing shapes in ZBrush, and let's get right into it. So right here I have a simple cylinder, and you want to make sure it's a polymesh 3D, and after that we're going to go to initialize, and let's just initialize this to a Q cube. Okay, and you'll notice that if we press Shift F, this is some good topology here. We can also change it, right, 5 by 5 by 5, and if we hit Q cube again, that'll give us a different set of topology. And you can also play around with the other settings there, right? You've got cylinder, you've got sphere, you've got grid. Give those a go. But what I really want to show you guys is if you click on any of these primitives, click it again, and then click on cube, or any one of the primitives actually, you can then change the initialization settings right here. So you can see that there's a bunch of them. You can twist it, you can change the division, you can change the side count as well, right? A bunch of things that you can change here. And after you're actually done with that, okay, side count usually at 4. That's why all those triangles exist actually. So what you want to do is rename this, and you don't have to, but it's recommended, and then go to make polymesh 3D. Okay, and now the shape is usable in ZBrush, and that's just a quick and easy tip right there. I'll see you guys in the next one.